Verdant Haven, a subterranean oasis, presents a transformative approach to disaster resilience in the Bicol region. This study aims to develop and implement innovative architectural solutions to address the persistent challenges posed by the constant threat of volcanic eruptions in the region. The vision departs from traditional evacuation-based models, proposing instead a permanent subterranean community designed to safeguard its inhabitants without severing their connection to the land. By prioritizing the residents' safety and well-being, the project seeks to enhance their overall livelihood sustainably, ensuring that the threat of Mayan volcano does not equate to a cycle of poverty and displacement. Albay province is home to 15 municipalities, all of which exist under the geographical influence of Mayan volcano. Standing at a height of 2,462 meters, 8,007 feet, Mayan is one of the most active volcanoes in the Philippines. The inherent dangers associated with its activity are diverse and catastrophic, including lahar and lava flows, destructive flows that can bury entire communities, pyroclastic flows, high-speed currents of hot gas and volcanic matter, ground rupture and induced landslides, physical shifts in the earth that compromise structural integrity, ashfalls, liquefaction, and flooding. Secondary hazards that disrupt health, infrastructure, and agriculture. Current safety protocols rely on a 6-kilometer permanent danger zone, PDZ, and an extended 7 to 8 kilometer PDZ. Volcanic activity is monitored through alert levels 1 to 5, requiring rapid response from various government sectors. The NDR-P, National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Plan, oversees general disaster reduction, while the DOST focuses on prevention and mitigation. The DILG manages preparedness, the DSWD handles immediate response, and NEDA facilitates long-term rehabilitation and recovery. Verdant Haven proposes an architectural intervention that streamlines these multi-agency goals into a single, resilient living environment. The research focus centers on subterranean architecture, or the practice of living underground. This choice is strategic. Earth acts as a natural insulator and shield against the high-velocity impacts of pyroclastic density currents and the suffocating weight of ashfall. To bring light and air into this subterranean space, the project utilizes advanced Louvre-inspired technologies. Structural framing. The design employs steel space framing with tension cables. These are configured as steel tubes in a rhomboid shape, reinforced with cables and stiffeners to maintain high structural integrity against seismic loads. Integrated glazing. The glass surfaces are not merely aesthetic, they include integrated glazing for thermal control. Self-cleaning glass. Given the frequency of ashfall, the project specifies a cheaper photocatalytic coating made of titanium oxide. This makes the glass hydrophilic, ensuring that dirt slides off easily when in contact with water. Electrochromic glass. For areas requiring more precise light modulation, an expensive electrically operated glass is used. This glass utilizes metal ions in the coating to transition from clear to dark states. Adaptive solar panels. To mitigate the greenhouse effect within the glazed areas and provide renewable energy, adaptive solar panels are integrated into the design. Albay's economy is fundamentally agrarian, with 75% of the population involved in agriculture. The region produces rice, coconut, abaca, sugarcane, vegetables, and pineapple. It also supports livestock including carabaos, goats, horses, and sheep. Resources like timber, pili nuts, and rattan are also vital to the local economy. Verdant Haven integrates these activities into an agro-ecosystem, defined as a dynamic interaction between abiotic and biotic elements, encompassing both human and natural factors. This model uses permaculture to emulate the patterns and processes seen in nature. By modifying natural communities, the project creates a space where agriculture and human habitation exist in a symbiotic loop.